गोंयासयत हेर अस्तंत किनारपट्टेवेल्या राज्यांनी 1 जून साकून 61 दिसांची नुस्तेमारी बंदी अंमलात येतली। ही नुस्तेमारी बंदी बरे तरेन लागू करपा खातीर नुस्तेमारी खात्यान संबंधित मामलेदारांक नुस्तेमारी जेटी आनी डिझल पंप सील करपाचो आदेश दिला अशें नुस्तेमारी संचालक शर्मिला मोंतेरो आनी गोमंतक टीव्ही कडेन उलयतना सांगले। नुस्तेमारी बंदीचे गोंयांत उल्लंघन जावचें न्हय म्हणून नुस्तेमारी खात्याचे सुपरवायझरांक गोंयच्या दर्यांत बारीक लक्ष दवरपाक सांगलां अशेंय मोंतेरो हांणी म्हणलें।
गोंयांत ह्या 2 म्हयन्याच्या काळात दर्या खुबळिल्लो आशिल्ल्यान उल्लंघनाच्यो कागाळी येनात। अशा वेळार दर्यांत वचपाची रिस्क सहजपणान कोण घेना अशें नुस्तेमारी संचालक शर्मिला मोंतेरो हांणी सांगलें। आतां नवी तंत्रज्ञान आयिल्ल्यान नुस्तें फ्रीज करून ह्या दिसांनी विकप शक्य आसा, म्हणून ह्या बंदीच्या काळात सुद्दां ताजें नुस्तें बाजारांत उपलब्ध आसता। हाचे खातीर खाऱ्या नुस्त्याची मागणी आतां कमी जाल्या अशें तांणी ह्या वेळार सांगलें।
Monsoon fishing ban in the state of Goa will be implemented from 1st of June to 31st of July. This is a ban which is being implemented right from 2004-05, and it is a uniform fishing ban from along the west coast of India. The ban is not only for within the 12 nautical miles but also outside in the EZ. So all the fishing vessels, the mechanized fishing vessels are not to go out for fishing. So in the state of Goa, what we have done is we have requested the Mamlatdars to seal all the fishing jetties, including the diesel pumps. We have also placed our fisheries officers and fisheries surveyors along the coastline in every taluka and the beach areas wherein fishermen usually go for fishing. So if there is any violation of the ban, they will report and take necessary action as per the Marine Fishing Regulation Act. But during this month, from June to July, is the peak breeding season. That is why sometimes people say we should have a ban which is extended up to August, or we should start even a little earlier. But it has to be a consensus. And now, since the matter was in the Supreme Court, everyone, we had research organizations, Government of India, and the state departments who sat together and then decided that yes, this much of the period should be good enough. So this is what it was, because otherwise traditional and mechanized always has that conflict. So to have a uniform ban, these 2 months have been. Yeah, actually what happens on the East Coast, there is no fishing ban. And also processing plants and all, they now cater to the domestic market of this time. So they may freeze and then they may send the produce to the markets wherever it is needed. Earlier it used to be only salt fish, but now there are technologies where you can freeze and give fresh fish, frozen fish to the people.
गोमंतक टीव्ही खातीर सिनियर जर्नलिस्ट नीरज नायक।